everybody. So it's time for another fruit that was kindly sent to me by Matt. So Matt, thank you again. Incredibly kind of you to send me so much stuff. And this one is very cool looking. It's another Solanium fruit. Check out that. Now this is right now piercing my fingers with little prickles. There are, I'm sure you can probably see them on there, little prickles all the way down the stem. So those are currently going into my fingers as I show you this, which is great. Very dangerous little thing. I read online this is actually used kind of as like protection. You can like put this in your garden to keep things from getting to your plants on the inside. I think I read it was like nematodes or something. I don't even know what that is, but yeah, it can be used as kind of like a protective plant for your other gardened edibles, inedibles, if that. Ow, this hurts. Huh. It's alright. Not a whole lot of flavor in there. It could just be the one that I have, so I'm gonna try a couple more. Right now I'm just getting like a hint of tomato taste. Maybe a little bit bitter. Ooh, here's nice. Wow! This thing is like deadly and very hard to hold on to. This one looks nice and red. Now how you can tell that it is like prime and ready to go is those little flappy bits on the outside, that little kind of like cape that it has, will retract back and expose the berry on the inside. So if it's like partially covered, that means it's probably not ready yet. You want it to kind of completely go back and be like a nice red color. So at least that's what it says online. So this one was completely pulled back and also like very loose, so I just touched it and it fell off. So should be a good one. Let's try it. About the same. These are not super flavorful. Could just be the ones that I have. But they're not bad. There's just not much to it. They're very simple, mild tomato taste. Not really getting much of anything else. It's not as strong as a tomato. It's just kind of bland. So there's no real sweetness to it. Maybe a little bit, maybe like a 1 out of 10. There's no sourness to it. Also like maybe like a 1 out of 10, if that. It's just kind of like a very simplistic, not super flavorful tomato taste. So take that for what it is. And I'm sure it's like actually quite good for you, just because it's like a nice bright color. It's probably got like some lycopene in it. Probably will save the world. But the flavor, yeah, it's not anything really crazy. Nothing bad, but nothing especially good either. So yeah, can't win them all. And it's quite dangerous looking. But I can see this, like if you are a gardener and you want to grow something that's probably not too difficult to grow and kind of like act as a little like protective barrier around your plants, those little pricklers, those will keep things back. You can then pick those berries out of there and you can do something with it, make a jam out of it or something. It's not going to be like crazy flavorful, but mixed with other things like other like solaniums or tomatoes or like whatever, it'd be fine. Throw it in a salad, throw it into like another jam or sauce or something, and it'll kind of like even it out. So that's something you can do with it, but more than anything, it's like really cool looking and like it could be useful if you're growing plants. So yeah, I think that's about it about this one. So again, thank you, Matt, and other than that, guys, I will see you next time. Bye-bye. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you did, you may want to check out the video that is below me right now. That should be good too. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, it is a huge help to my channel, so please do consider subscribing or clicking that bell. That does something too. Not sure what it is. Also, check out the description below. There's all sorts of other things I have going on. I don't even know anymore. But guys, I will see you next time. Take care.